Mama and Papa loves you very much.
Come and take a chance with me. Got this never-ending world so green. We got this time, you know. We'll take it nice and slow. So don't let go. Hold on tight. Don't look back. Yeah, we'll find our paradise. Alright, people got a reason. About time to tell me you can feel it. All we know is this is our shot. Green light, keep on running. Feels like we're on something. All we know is this is our shot. Give it all we got.
Ang ganda kasi nung name. Dalawa yung name niya, Tobias Laurel. Yung Laurel kasi nakuha niya sa in-laws ko. So, Lourdes at saka Ismael. Kaya Laurel. Ay, napakalikot. Ang likot-likot. Ang likot-likot. Napakagaslaw. Gaslaw-gaslaw na bata. Malambing. Sobrang lambing. Random lang. Tapos, bigla na lang niya akong hahalikan. Tapos, hihiga siya sa dibdib ko.
Alright, people got a reason. About time, tell me you can feel it. All we know is this is our shot. Green light, keep on running. Feels like we're on something. All we know is this is our shot.
Happy birthday,
Give it all we got.
Happy birthday to you.
Bing! Happy birthday, Bing! Sana masaya ka sa ginawa ni Mami. Wala kasing Jollibee sa Amerika. So, gusto ko na, masaya ko na ipapa-experience ko sa yung Jollibee. Tsaka, sana balang araw makikita mo to paglaki mo, maiintindihan mo na ginawa ko to lahat para sa iyo. Tsaka sana lumaki kang mabait, 'di ba? Mapagmahal, magandang kinabukasan mo. Higit sa lahat, syempre, maging center ng buhay mo sila. Kasi yun yung pinakamahalaga.
Feels like we're on something. All we know is this is our shot. Give it all we got.
Kasi totoo naman talaga eh. Pag wala kang Panginoon sa buhay mo,
Close your
wala
eyes. And we're finding paradise.